Welcome back, Crammers. Question 23. Change the speed of 81 kilometers per hour to a speed in meters per second. So we can actually write this as 81 kilometers over 1 hour. Now, to convert kilometers to meters, we simply multiply by 100. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So we can write here times 1,000. Now, for hours, we know that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, which 60 minutes is equivalent to 60 seconds. So what that means is 1 hour is equal to 60 times 60 seconds, or 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. So we simply multiply this by 3,600. So that gives us a total of, when multiplying by a value of 10, we simply move to the right. And since this has 3 zeros, we move to the right 3 times. So we have 81, 3 times, so we have 1, 2, 3. We put 3 zeros. Divided by 1 times 3,600, so we simply have 3,600. These zeros cancel out. And we can use our calculator here to find our answer, which is 810 divided by 36. That gives us 22.5 meters per second. 22.5 meters per second. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.